You are going to love the 2016 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.